Hello dear friends, I welcome you all to my German language channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today you are going to learn second part of numbers. In the first part you learned about numbers from 1 to 20. Today's lesson is featuring numbers from 21 to 50. Hopefully you will find it pretty interesting. It might seem difficult with from its first appearance, but by the end of the lecture you will find it pretty amazing and simple. Let's begin from here. I have wrote the topic like numbers in German or Zahlen oder Nummern part 2. So you can for the new viewers who are checking in directly this video, they might check the first video, so it would be easy for them to pursue this one. So 21 is known as 21. Literally, ein means one. Mean and 20 mean 20. So 21 is like literally in English if we say 1 and 20. So its German version is reflecting like this: 21, 21 and 20. 22, 22. Zwei means 2 and remains for end. Remains for end and 20 remain for 20. So 2 and 20 if we say literally. So 22 will be like is like in German 22. 23 is 23. It may be getting easier now for you. 24 is like 24. 25 is 25. 26 is 26. 27 is like 27. 28 is like 28. 29, 29. And 30 is like 30. This sign may appear like a beta of physics if you have seen, but it's actually a form of S in German, and it is known as Z or so 30. So in all the 30 series, you will use this form of S, German S, it is known as Z. So in place of this sich, so in place of this Z, so it will be like 30, and 31 will be like 31. 31. Same channel we will follow here. So or sequence we will be following here. So 32 will be like 32. 33 is 33. 34 is 34. 35 is 35. 36 is 36. 37 is 37. 38 is 38. 39 is 39. 40 is 40. So 41 will be like 41. 42 will be like 42. 43 will be like 43. 44, 44. 45, 45. 46, 46. 47, 47. 48, 48. 49, 49. And 50 is like 50. So we will follow the same sequence from here. That will be featured or covered in the third part of the lesson. If you have any questions, do drop in the comment section. Its Urdu or Hindi version will be separately available. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.